So now that the hard top's off, the first thing that we're going to do is install the alien shade. Now, I've never installed one of these, and neither is the wife. Here's our first impressions of it. It's pink. Let's get this thing spread out so we can give you guys a review. It's got a couple little bungee cords. Is there instructions? Is there instructions in here? Is that instructions? How to install. Yep, there is instructions. Alright, you read these. Let's get going on this. So we got the alien shade on, and honestly, it hurts. It kept snapping back on my thumbs and fingers. The wife says she likes it, but honestly, I think it's just gonna flap around in the wind. Some things that I thought that could have been better was more detailed instructions, was for one. Two, they don't have any of these holes right in the middle. Maybe if that hole was just right in the middle, that might be a little bit better. There's no way to tie this down in the middle. There's Velcro, but it doesn't say anything in the instructions about how to install it. And the Velcro's not sticky on this side at all. So I don't really know if that's supposed to go through and put a bolt through. The bungee cord system everywhere is extremely tight, but these back ones are by far the most tightest. It took two of us to pull those back down and around. But I actually just broke my nail off doing this. But it's on there. She's happy. And I don't know. Like I really don't know if I'd recommend this or not. It keeps the sun off you, which is nice, but you're still going to get wet and bugs and stuff. But she likes it. But is it worth it? It's still quite a cheap Jeep accessory. What did this cost you? 100 bucks? This was $100. American or Canadian?
Canadian. Oh, American.
$100 American, so that brings it up to about $150 Canadian by the time you factor in shipping. I don't know. Maybe in a few weeks we can give you a 100% honest opinion about it. She seems to like the look of it, but I didn't really like the install. I think it could have been better. So thanks for watching, and that's the alien shade installed on her Jeep. This is a 2015, but we're not sponsored by Alien Shade, so we can give an honest review of what we think about it. You know what? If something happens and that we dislike it, we'll let you guys know. Or if this really impresses us, we will let you guys know as well. Check the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.